It is 5:50 and it's time to wake up. Now I am going to wake up and I will do all the things which I do in the morning. I will show you everything related to me that I do in the morning. Okay. To learn English with my morning routine. The purpose of making videos is you just have to learn English with me in real life situations. So today's topic is learn English with my morning routine. Now I am filling the bucket for watering the plants. Let's go on the roof. So the first work I do is I just give the water to the plants, and this is Madhumalti Lata. Madhumalti Lata is amazing. When it will be long, it will give so many flowers, and the flowers are so beautiful. And this is looking so nice. This is very good. This is growing good. But this is hibiscus. Hibiscus means gurhal. This is hibiscus tree. This tree has been affected by fungus. You can see there is a lot of fungus in this tree, and because of this reason it is not able to grow. There are the leaves has been yellowish. It has been infected by the fungus. Only because of this reason it is not growing at all. And next to hibiscus there is money plant. Money plant is very green, dark green color. This is oleander. This is oleander tree. It is also amazing. And next to oleander tree, this is, I don't know what is the name of this plant, but this also looks amazing. And next to this plant, this is Chandani. This is called the Chandani tree, and it gives white flowers. Then I drink warm water in the morning. And I will advise everyone has to drink warm water in the morning. Now it has been warm and I will drink this water. Now I am going for a morning walk. See guys, these two are running after me. As I am going, these are coming after me, both. Guys, in my village the drainage system is very bad, or I will say the drainage system is worse. In villages, as you are able to see on the screen, dung cakes are made from buffalo dung. These cakes are usually placed on walls or the ground in a row or mountain-like shape. In my village, these are placed in mountain-like shape and left to dry in the sun. Before the rainy season arrives, the dried cakes are collected and stored in a specific place to protect them from getting wet. These dung cakes are used as fuel in traditional clay stoves or chulhas to cook food. And guys, let me show you something. Those who come from city areas maybe they did not see the pond in villages. So this is a pond. This is a small pond, not very small, but it is not a huge pond too, and it is for some good purposes, like the animals come and drink the water in the summer. So there are many good purposes. And look at the sun. It is looking so sweet. Yeah, it is looking so cute, so cute. Now we can see in the morning, we can look at the sun because it will not disturb our eyes. And guys, we have come to the come near the temples. There are many temples here, and this is a water freezer. Here we get the cold water for drinking, as you are able to see. Yeah, so we can drink the cold water from there. And this is Bholenath temple. This is Shiv temple. As you are able to look at, there are these snakes. There are these snakes has been made by stone. Okay, and also with these snakes and Shivji, you will be able to see the Kanhaji, Krishna, Radha. Yeah. And this is Satta Baba. We call it Satta Baba. We call this temple Satta Baba. And in village areas, you will see these types of many temples. Okay, and this is Sunny temple. It is not established so far, but it is Sunny temple. And this is Ma Kalratri temple. It looks nice, yeah. It looks nice. This is Ma Kalratri temple. I have worshipped so many times in these temples. Okay, and this is also very small little Kalima temple. Yeah. So these are the temples here. Guys, I am going to show you something that is very relevant, that is very good thing. As you are able to look at, as you are able to see on the screen, these are the dumbbells, homemade dumbbells. Here, many guys come and do exercises in the morning or evening time from my village. Look at, this is for doing the shoulder workout. Right, and these are for chest workout and sorry, biceps workout and other types of dumbbells. Small dumbbells are also there for doing workout. Yeah, and there is Babaji, and he cleans every day. He put the temple neat and clean. He lives here. So only because of him, you will see everywhere so clean. There are so many, trees there. This is a kind of a small garden. This is a kind of a small garden. But what you are able to see, this is mango tree, and you are able to see that it has grown. There are small, little mangoes, raw mangoes. So look at, this is the road. This is our main road from where we go to the market and other places. This is our main road. Guys, look at this scene. This looks exactly like a scenery. Yeah, there is a sun and trees and farmland, and there is moon crop, and there is also people tree maybe, and other types of Arjun trees. Yes. So I will return from here. My walk has been completed. No, not so far, because I just have to return. That will also include in my walk, in my morning walk. So I'm just going back to my house. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you, that this is place where you will see small temples and so many trees, You will not see the buildings that you usually see in city areas. Usually you have seen how much the Delhi NCR area is polluted. The Delhi is polluted nowadays. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and sound pollution as well, because there are lots of vehicle, and Delhi is in the ranks. Delhi is Delhi is the most polluted city in India, most polluted, and it comes also in the world rankings. And there are maybe 15 cities from India come in the world rankings in terms of pollution, in terms of air pollution. So when everywhere is pollution in cities, so every one thinks about the village areas. Villages are so clean in terms of air. Yes, that is reality. That is reality. Okay, guys, look at this. This is a snake. This has been crushed by any vehicle, so it has died. Look at this is my house. I have come to my house, a small house. It's time to brush on teeth. It's time to brush my teeth. The video will be end from here because video can be very long. I have shown you so many things. Only because of this reason the video has been long. I cannot show everything what I do in the morning in this single video, because it can be very long video. I will upload another video where I will show you next to it what do I do next to this morning routine. Okay.